to my channel Paris Programming. In this video, I will tell you how to find it out the output, especially using characters. Now, can we store an integer in a character variable? If yes, what will be the output? If no, it is going to show an error message. What type of error message it will generate? Compile time error or runtime error. Now the same question arises when we add a character to an integer, whether it is going to generate error message. If it is not, what will be the output? Is it going to concatenate it or it is going to add it? If it is going to add, how it will add? These kind of questions we are going to discuss in this video. So concentrate on each question, identify the options and find out the correct option. So let's begin. So let's start with our first question. The first question says that character ch is equal to 65. Can we assign an integer to a character? If it is no, obviously it is going to generate an error. That is either compile time error or runtime error. It is possible that we can assign an integer to a character type variable. Then what will be the value? The value will be your a. How? Because 65 is converted to its character value. That is the ASCII value of capital A is your 65. That's why it is implicitly converted into character A. So that's why the variable ch will contain your a. And obviously these two are invalid options. So that means we can have 67 or C, the answer. But hold on for a moment. What it is doing? While displaying, it is adding ch plus 2. Now the question arises that can we add a integer to a character? If not, then obviously again it is going to generate an error. That will be your compile time or runtime error. Yes, we can add it. Now if you will add, then how a character will be added with an integer? Again, the old mechanism, the character will be converted to its integer ASCII value again implicitly. So that's why your a plus 2, the expression becomes your a plus 2. This is your mixed expression. That's why the alphabet a is converted to its ASCII value 65. And when 65 is added with 2, we got 67. So obviously my answer is 67 now. Now let's check the next question. The next question says that character ch is equal to 65. Again the same question is in front of us. Print ch plus space plus 2. So obviously we have seen that there is no error because the integer 65 can be stored in a character. While displaying, it is saying ch plus 2. Now there is a space in between character and an integer. So is it going to convert the character into its ASCII value or it will concatenate? Obviously, when there is a space, it is going to concatenate. So first of all, what it is going to do, it will add character with the space. So that's why your alphabet will be your A available over here. Then we are going to add the alphabet in the form of string, not in the form of character. So that's why when it is added with the 2, it is going to be concatenated. It is not going to convert it into its ASCII value. So obviously in this case, we are going to get the output called A2. So in order to make you confused, they have given the 65 and 2 and 67 also. Few students, what they are doing, after concatenating, they are thinking that it is added with the 2. So that's why they are converting it into its ASCII value 65. And obviously their answer will be your 67. So which is wrong. So be careful while selecting an option. Now let's check the next question. Next question says that int no is equal to c. Here the character c is assigned to an integer variable. Is it possible? Yes, it is also possible. And it is also known as your implicit type conversion. In this case, the character value will be changed to integer. How? By converting the character into its ASCII value. So what is the ASCII value of your C? ASCII value of C is your 99. How it is 99? Because lowercase a is your 97. So B is your 98 and C is your 99. So NO value is 99. Now here what happens? NO is added with the space. Old mechanism we are going to apply over here. Now 99 is added with the space. So the result will be 99 in the form of your string. When it is going to be added with a number, it is going to be concatenated. So that's why we are going to get 99 with space. Yes. Now see what the question is saying. Now the question is talking about int no is equal to 1, where 1 is given in the quotes. So what is going to be stored in no? Because both the side is of type integer. Is it going to store 1? Or is it going to store the ASCII value of your 1? Obviously, the 1 is enclosed within quotes. That means it is character type. And when we are going to store the character in an integer, its ASCII value is going to be stored. So that's why we'll see what is the ASCII value of your 0, that is 48. So NO will store your 49 because now I'm going to store 1. So 1 ASCII value is your 49. Now NO plus 2. What is NO value? NO value is 49. 49 plus 2 is your 51. But there is no space in between NO plus 2. So that's why it is adding the number, not concatenating. Be careful about this one. Here is your answer is called 51. So let's see what the next question is asking for. It is saying that NO is equal to, within single quote we have given 11. That means character is assigned to an integer. Now here it says that NO plus A. So let's analyze it. Now suppose we are thinking that 1 is your 49. The ASCII value of 1 is your 49. Now what will be my 11? So for first one 49. For the second one 49. The sum of these two is your 98. Now when it is going to be added with alphabet A, so it is going to be concatenated because it is an alphabet character. So that's why we may get the answer called 98A. Here it is given 98A. If you think like this, it is wrong. Because we know that when a number is going to be added with a character, it is converting the character to its ASCII value. So that's why this is wrong. Now let's assume like this. 98. How it is 98? As already we have seen that the ASCII value of your 11 we have calculated. 49 plus 49 is your 98. Now alphabet A is having 65. So 98 plus 65 we got 163. Here we have an option for this. If you think like this, again it is wrong. Because here 49 cannot be added with the 49. Here it is not 1 1. Here it is 11. So that's why this is also wrong. Now let's consider for 11. If 1 is your 49, then what will be your 11 ASCII value? It is 59. For example, 1 is 49, 2 is 50, 3 is 51. Like this, 11 will be your 59. Now 59 is going to be added with 65. We got 124. Here we have option called 124. If we'll put tick mark on this, this is again wrong because here two characters are enclosed within single quote, which is not allowed. So that's why the answer is error. A single alphabet or single digit, single number can be enclosed within quotes for a character constant. We cannot have more than one character. That's why it is error. मजा आ रहा है output में अभी. So what is the next question? Next question is int no is equal to 3. System.out.print char. It is called explicit type conversion. Now character 3 is assigned to no. So there should not be any error because one character is available in the form of integer which is given in a quotes. That means 3 is considered as a character and its ASCII value will be stored in no. So what is the ASCII value of 0? 48. So what will be the ASCII value of 3? 51. After this, now to whom it is converting? It is not converting no plus 1 into character. It is converting no to character. So that means no contains your 51. Now its character form is again 3. Character A is going to be added with 1. As we know that when a character is going to be added with an integer, the character is going to be converted to its ASCII value. So ASCII value of 3 is again 51. 51 plus 1 is your 52. So that's why the correct answer is your 52. तो चलो देखते हैं अब कौन सा क्वेश्चन आता है. So the question is saying int no is equal to b. Character b is assigned to no. So that means its ASCII value is going to be stored. So ASCII value of b is your 66. Now 66 plus 1. It is given in a parenthesis now. So that means 66 plus 1 is going to be added first because of the parenthesis. Now 66 plus 1 is your 67. Now the whole addition value is going to be converted into its character form. So its character form is your C. So that's why answer is C. Be careful, it is given in the parentheses. So that's why the whole expression will be evaluated. Then it will convert it into character form. Yes, it is. Now move towards the next question. The next question is given like this. System.out.print A plus B. Okay. So that means character A is going to be converted. Its ASCII value is 65 and B value is your 66. So that means we'll add 65 with 66 and we are going to get 131. If you'll think like this is right or wrong. Here the two characters are concatenated. It may be like this AB. AB option is also available. But 65B cannot be possible because if A is converted to 65 and B also needs to be converted, so it cannot be. Now here also if A is coming as an alphabet, so 66 cannot come. This should be your B. So this is not possible. Now the possible answer is your AB or 131. Now which one is your correct answer? We have to think about it. Now let's see. It is not string. If I will give this in the form of string, then it will be concatenated and your answer will be AB. But here it is in character. So addition will be done. 65 plus 66 becomes your 131. So your answer will be 131. Okay, let's see what is the next question. Next question is int no is equal to b. As we know that the character b is going to be converted to its ASCII value and will be stored in no. So what will be the value of no? If a is 65, your b will be 66. That means this no will be my 66. Fine. Now let's solve this. Here we have an option called RESAB. Last time the whole expression was executed first. After that it is converted into character. Now what happens? The string is available first. Then we have A. Is it going to be converted into its ASCII value or it is going to be concatenated? That is the base question. Yes. It is not going to be converted to its ASCII value because string is added with a character that is going to be concatenated. That means RESA. Yes, we got RESA here also. We got RESA here also. As we know that this is not going to convert it into its ASCII value. So this is not going to be my answer. Now, if you will think in this side, A plus NO. Now, if I will say A is your 65 and NO is your my 66. Now 65 plus is there. That means according to the previous example, these two is going to be added. If these two is going to be added, in that case 65 plus 66, obviously this is going to be converted into your ASCII value because plus is there. When a character is going to be added with an integer, the character is going to be converted to its ASCII value. So 65 plus 66, 131. This can be your answer. Now we got three candidate answer. As we know, expression is evaluated from left to right. So RES plus A. So it becomes your RESA. After that it is having number. Next again a question arises whether NO is used as an integer or it is going to be converted into character form. If it is going to be converted into character form, then this will be my answer AB, because first one is already we learned that RES plus A is your RESA. Then after that if it is not going to be converted, it will be your 66. That means A66 will be your answer. If it is going to be converted to character, then AB is your answer. If both are is going to be added, then it is going to be concatenated. Then 131 will be your answer. What exactly the process is? Expression is evaluated from left to right. RES plus A becomes your RESA. Up to here it is correct. Now NO is in the form of integer. Now left side is your string. So obviously it is going to be concatenated. So that's why RESA 66 is your answer. it is not going to be converted to character form because left hand side is your string. It is going to be concatenated. So let's see. Yes, answer is A66. Now it's time to see the next question, that is character NO is equal to 65. Left hand side is having character but right hand side 65 is assigned, which is in the form of integer. So now when 65 is assigned to character variable, it will be your capital A. Now in display, left hand side is having string again, but right hand side is enclosed within parentheses. That means first of all AB is going to be concatenated. AB RES plus AB, that means we got the answer called RES AB. That is wrong. Now obviously, as I said that if one is converted into integer, obviously second is going to be converted into integer. In this case, one is integer, one is characters, not possible because no string is available. Now this one is also not possible. A66. A is in the form of alphabet and 66 in the form of integer because here plus symbol is there and both is character. So obviously when it is there in a parenthesis, first these two will be done. But here both the character is going to be added first. That means its ASCII value is going to be added. 65 plus 66 is your 131. Now RES is going to be concatenated with your 131. So that's why answer is your RES 131. Let's check. Yes. That's all for this video. If you want any sort of output questions related to the wrapper class, then don't forget to give comment in my YouTube comment section. I will create the MCQ for wrapper class also. Thank you and best of luck for your examination.